Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to keep Predator laptop cool while gaming. No overheating trick. I'll show you hidden tricks to keep it cool and prevent overheating even during long gaming sessions. First of all, use Predator Sense fan control. Go to Predator Sense app, which is at the number lock side button in your keyboard. After you have pressed it, this interface will open. Go to the Home tab. You can see the GPU, CPU and system performance here. Then to control the fan, go to the scenario and go to the fan control. You can set the fan control of CPU or GPU, how much you want. You can set it to max or you can custom it. This keeps temperature low without reducing the performance. Then enable cool boost mode. In Predator Sense, toggle cool boost on. This allows fans to spin faster when needed. Lower GPU and CPU temperature during heavy gaming. Then third step is to improve your flow. Always place your laptop on a flat surface, not in bed or couch. Use a cooling pad or laptop stand for better air circulation. Clean the vents with compressed air to remove the dust. Then optimize the graphics settings. This is the another step. Open the NVIDIA control panel. Search here NVIDIA control panel, as you can see. Then open it. After you have opened, go to the manage 3D setting. As you can see, here is the manage 3D settings. Here limit FPS using VSync or frame capping. Set the limit FPS using VSync or frame capping. Lower unnecessary ultra setting. This reduces GPU load, which means less heat. And that's how you keep your Predator laptop cool while gaming. Use these tricks and say goodbye to overheating. If this helps, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.